Dear business partners in livestock industry, do persistent cough, asthma and mycoplasma respiratory infections trouble your pigs, cattle and sheep? These stubborn diseases will slow down growth and affect livestock quality. VIT TYLOSIN 200 injection targets mycoplasma and respiratory infections. It relieves cough and breath problems quickly and stops the spread of illness. We have sufficient stock and complete specifications for wholesale. Customized packaging, labels, and sizes are available. Let's cooperate for long-term mutual benefits.